Hello again everyone and welcome back to the channel my friends. So today clearly I've got a real steel for you. Okay, I've been waiting to review this one. I really have for a while. Okay, finally getting around to it. So nicely presented, that silver greyish box there's a little bit of texturing, that two-tone look. Don't know if you can see that. So great for gifting. Okay, there's the puppy. All right, let's pop this out with no further ado. No mamby-pamby reviews for me, right? So there you go, bit of black foam. We got the RB-5. There's the spec sheet, okay? And I'll embed that in the video. And of course, what's this one's going to be, yeah, about us, maintenance and warranty and whatnot. We've got the designer, Jakub, okay, Wiktorkiewicz, okay, from Poland, and the various other people from Ukraine and such like. Now, he done the actual real steel Barlow, okay. You've got iterations, back lock, button lock, apart from the slip lock, and I'll embed that in the video. Let's pop this puppy out, come on. We've got a cleaning cloth, which is quite nice to have, okay. And there you go. Look at that. Form and function, guys. Great fit and finish by Real Steel as always. Bang on centre down the middle. Let's pop this out. Nice lock up. Look at that. Absolutely lovely. Very nice in the hand. Really nice in the hand. Oh, I'm liking that. It's as good as I remember it. So, welcome, my friends. This, of course, is the RB-5. The Real Steel Barlow. Look at that. Absolutely lovely. Now, this comes in various iterations. Of course, you've got that black G10, okay? You can get green, blue, red, orange, even white and purple, okay? Copper is also available from memory, and brass, titanium. So you've got something to suit everybody, okay? Now, what we got, though, in a way of similarities, well, I'll tell you. First, of course, very similar to me, for me, rather, is this puppy, another Haynes exclusive. Here we go. We got this one. There you go. The Real Steel Barlow sheep's foot, okay, in titanium. A lovely iteration, of course. I think you agree. It goes really nice. Okay, great for the office and whatnot. Then, of course, we got this puppy. Okay, this is a classic. Now, it really is a modern classic for me. Another sheep's foot, okay. Look at that. Lovely rosecraft in that orange bourbon bone. Just lovely, isn't it? And then, of course, you may remember this puppy. Look at this. Okay, and that lovely micarta, tan micarta with the arrowhead shield. This is the Rough Rider Reserve with that lovely drop spear point. Look at that. Full fat spear. No semi-skimmed here, guys. Okay. And of course, even in my carter, we got a classic. Look at that. Arthur Wright, made in England, Sheffield, England, okay, since 1947. Absolutely beautiful. I think you agree. Okay. All right, let's get back to it. So, that's the stable we were talking about, the classic Barlow, my favourite traditional pattern. This, of course, is based on that stable, okay? But it's a modern iteration of it. I'm loving the blade shape. It's a drop spear almost, yeah? You've got a little bit of belly on us. It's going to be super useful, guys. It really is. Nice walk and talk. Absolutely love it. Guys, it's really quite nice. I'm very impressed with this. Got a bit of swedging there, okay. I would like to see a bit less swedging, to be fair, but still, it's personally for me. I'm loving the blade shape, though. We got a full flat grind, which means it's going to be a super slicer, okay, generally speaking. Absolutely lovely. A little bit of belly on there, decent sharpening choil, a little bit of jimping underneath there so you don't slip forward, which is nice. You can do all your point work, draw cuts, absolutely lovely. Pierce and puncture, your bags, whatever. It's a great all-round EDC blade. Straight away I can see that, okay. Blade play, none. It's a modern, you don't really get that. Now what's great about this, the main thing for me, like a car, the engine's the most important thing. Well, the steel is the most important for this. That's the engine of this knife, isn't it? This is N690, okay? A great steel for this price point, okay? it's fantastic value. That means it's fairly easy to maintain and it's going to hold a decent edge, okay? You got that satin finish on the blade, nice slick action, and she pulls and breaks about a 5 overall. Now, also, look at this. You got that lovely, some people might not like it. It's not a half stop, but it's a third stop, if you will, okay? But I actually like it. When you got your fingers there, you're not going to cut yourself, right? Unless if it's a half, you're much more likely to. That's good to have. Always good to have a backup, that little extra safety by having a third stop or a half stop. The walking torque actually is very good overall, okay? Nice snap, all right? It does, of course, there you go. It muffles it out a little bit because of the G10, but it's a nice snap still. Now, is it clean inside? It is. What we've got is got skeleton liners in here, guys. I could take this apart and show you actually, but I've got a picture. I've got another set of scales to switch it over, so not a problem. It's just one of those things. Now we've got the G10 scales, which of course, super grippy in the dry or the wet, all right? Of course, what you got here, you got that third, that bolster, that inset bolster, if you will, with the G10 scales. That's all one piece, but it's made to look like two pieces, which I quite like, okay? You got, what happens is with that G10, you're going to get a nice grippy, sure hold, even in damp or moist conditions. Good to know. Now, the deep carry pocket clip, all right? That is a deep carry, and it's quite nice. It's wire, a bit like the old Spyderco's, okay? Good, let me see. Yeah, quite good retention, I'd say. It also, if we look closely, it's reversible. That's good to know, right? Good to have. So you can have it either side. It is tip up only though, and that's fine by me. Yeah, one thing to do notice for me, now you got these grooves which aid its extra security, but it does move from side to side a little bit, even though it's tightened up. So in the pocket over time, it might fail on one of these and the next one will fail. So I wish that was a little bit more stable, but you know, I'll probably end up taking this off because there's a slight hot spot. Barlows are renowned worldwide for having great ergos, but with the pocket clip, there's a slight hot spot. It's not too bad, but I might actually take the clip off anyway, okay? Well, I might leave it on then. If it goes, it goes. All right, excellent fit and finish overall. Absolutely fantastic, as you would expect. Good hafting. It's just form and function, guys. And at this price point, fantastic. Like I said, good ergos overall, even with that pocket clip, okay? Is it sharp out of the box? We shall see. Let's check it out here as we do the measurements. So, on the actual blade itself, you've got 7 centimeters, which is 2 3/4 of an inch, okay? And of course, what we got, the thickness is half decent, just over 2 millimeters or 0.08 of an inch, which is good, great for EDC. It's strong enough to get through all your cardboard boxes, slice paracord, whatever, okay? Overall length it's about 16 centimeters, okay, gents and ladies, which is about 6.5 inches. Now, I do like to guess this, don't I? It's light, guys. It's light. It's compact. It's light, but 95 to 100 grams. Blimey. Wow. I actually thought that 70 grams. I'm impressed, guys. I should have said about 80, 85. That's what I was going to say, actually. I was going to change my mind. 2.4 ounces. Literally not a lot, guys. It really isn't, okay? And the actual overall close, I think, is 9 centimeters, okay? Because I don't think I did that, which is 3.5 inches. A great all-round package. I think you agree. What I really like about this, it's a modern take, fair enough, on the classic British Barlow since 1670. World-renowned, copied, but never passed. Of course, you can't beat getting one from Sheffield, England, in my opinion, or indeed America, because it's, they've had it for a couple of years as well, okay? Now, for me, this is a super handy, practical, well-made, clearly lightweight, UK legal, and exceptional value for money overall. So great for a birthday, you know, even a special occasion, okay? Highly recommended, 5 stars, gents, okay? Really, really nice. I'm really, really surprised with this. Of course, we've got the RB-1 recently come out, okay, which is even cheaper. But I'll probably go for this one anyhow, all right? So, thanks for watching. For price and availability, see the links below. Show your support by giving us a like. It really helps the channel, and I appreciate it. And by hitting that subscribe button, rather. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you next time. Stay sharp.